everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Alright, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. And let's say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Kenya. Hi, everybody. In this lesson today, we're going to go over spear knees and how to throw knees. Okay? All sorts of knees. Now, there's a couple different knees you can throw. Okay? We have up knees, so straight up knees. We have spear knees. And then we have side knees. Okay? Now, the side knees is a little difficult. What it is you'd use it if you had a partner, right? You clench them up, right? You clench them up here, and you throw a side knee, okay? Maybe in the future on this channel, I'll invite one of my students, and we can practice the clench. But today we're gonna practice throwing knees in the air, okay? So, here's what we're gonna practice. We're gonna go up knee, we're gonna go spear knee, just like that, okay? And then we'll add another one. We'll do flying knee too, just for fun, okay? So, let's back side together. I'm gonna go up knee, spear knee. You know, when you do a spear knee, it's kind of like a push kick, right? Where you push with your hips and your knee comes out. Ready? And flying knee. Awesome. Good job, you guys. All right, let's do the opposite leg now. Ready? So up knee, spear knee, flying knee. Awesome. Good job. Awesome. All right, let's do this leg again. Ready? Up knee, spear knee, flying knee. Awesome. One more time. Let's go this side. Ready? And up knee, spear knee, flying knee. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome. All right, what are we going to do next? We're going to be on our fighting stance like this, okay? We're going to pick up our knee. We're going to hold the spear knee position, okay? We're going to hold it there for 10 seconds. Then we're going to do the opposite side. Okay, let's practice that together. Ready? Pick up your knee like this. Now lean your hips back. And go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and foot down. Very good job. All right, do the other side now. Ready? Pick up this knee, lean back a bit, try to keep it balanced. Ready? And go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Very good job. You guys have 5. Awesome. Okay, we're going to do this combination. We're going to go jab, cross, hook, spear knee, hook. Okay, let's do that together. I'm going to say jab, cross, hook, spear knee, hook. Awesome. Good. Again. Jab, cross, hook, spear knee, hook. Awesome. All right, do it from this angle. Jab, cross, hook, spear knee, hook. Awesome. Good. Again. Jab, cross, hook, spear knee, hook. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Have 5. Awesome. All right, let's do the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Well, let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, homeschool parents. Are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you our very own website called dojogotv.com. Our website will give you access to family-friendly kids martial art lessons and exclusive courses updated throughout the year away from YouTube. This means no ads or suggested videos. Each series inside the app will take your kids on an interactive storyline that help them not only learn the moves of martial arts, but have lots of fun along the way. If you'd like to support Dojo Go and all future content, please consider becoming a member of dojogotv.com. Awesome job, you guys. Alright, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're going to stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm going to take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead, push yourself forward. Okay? Now we're going to count to 10 in Korean for pizza. Nice spot after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Alright, now this time we're going to take one foot. We're going to pick up our knee just like this. And then we're going to put our hands in the ground. Keep ourselves stable. Stretching out our quad muscle right here. So let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. Alright, now this time we're going to stretch out this leg. Okay, we're stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. Double together. Let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're going to stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now don't forget to breathe, okay? Ready? Then let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good. Nice. Now we're going to take this foot. We're going to stretch it out just like this. Good. Awesome. All right, together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, keeping this leg straight. Toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. Move down, reach for your toes. And say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're going to go down to our stomach just like this. And we're going to stretch out. Stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're going to be on our knees like this. We're going to sharpen up our wrists. I guess take your hands just like this. Turn them upside down. Place them on the mat gently on the ground. And then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick. Just really slowly lean back. Okay? Let's say 하나, Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.